Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you all are doing? I hope you people are doing really great. And today's video is gonna be four reason why you can't speak English fluently. Before getting into the video, this is Padma here. Yeah, the very first reason is self-confident. You are not much confident or you don't believe yourself. That's the reason you can't speak English very well or you can't able to be fluent in English. So what I'm gonna just say you is believe yourself because confidence is something which is used as a key to achieve your goal. No matter if you are where you are and what kind of work you're gonna do, it doesn't matter. But here, how much you are confident about your work, that's matter. How much you are confident about your words matter here. So no matter if you do mistakes, also no matter, a lot of people consider you're confident. So always believe yourself because without believing yourself, you can't able to achieve English fluency. So you need to be confident about your words and don't compare yourself with others because that led to lack of self-confidence. So grow your self-confidence day by day because it never happen over a second or over a day. It need a lot of effort. So you need to boost up your self-confidence by practicing a lot of things. Practicing, put yourself on practicing involve like if you are get a chance to talk in front of a lot of people, then you need to grab that opportunity. Likewise, you need to improve your confidence level. So never ever be lose your confidence and don't be very overconfident as well. So have a maintain a good confidence level so that you can speak a very good English. So that's the reason lack of self-confidence led to not speaking good English. Okay, and the second reason is afraid of making mistakes. Yes, you people are just afraid to make mistakes because you think that doing a lot of mistakes is not equal to become a good speaker. Your mind is if you are doing lot of mistakes, then you are not considered as a good speaker. In initial stage, in the process of learning something, you need to make a lot of mistakes. When you are tend to do a lot of mistakes, then only you can learn from that mistakes, right? So the thing is, don't afraid of doing mistakes, but instead of that, learn from your mistakes. If you do a lot of mistakes, then learn from that mistakes. Take it as a lesson where you need to improve yourself. If you analyze your mistakes, then definitely, if you are gonna evaluate yourself, then definitely in life you'll be in succeed place. So according to that only, I'm gonna say you is please make mistakes, but learn from that mistakes because when you are speaking English yourself, you feel somewhat mistakes. Sometimes you feel some mistakes, then you need to rectify that and never ever don't repeat that mistakes. Who knows, I make a lot of mistakes in this video itself, while speaking, but I never bother about that. I bother about how I can learn up from that mistake. You are not conscious about doing mistakes, you need to be conscious about how you can learn from that mistakes. So do a lot of mistakes because in initial stage, doing without doing any kind of mistakes in past, no one gonna be succeed in future, right? If you just take any kind of good speaker, they will make a lot of if you see into their past, they make a lot of mistakes. Their past is completely filled with a lot of mistakes. Then only they are now considered to be a good speaker. So you need to make a lot of mistakes. Then only you will learn from that mistake. So as much as you can make mistakes and learn from that. So don't ever afraid of making mistakes in the initial stage or in the process of learning English. Yeah. The third reason is not consistent. You are not consistent because consistent is key to success or consistent is key to speak English very well. So you need to be very much conscious about your consistency. If you are a person, for example, most of the human being like to be like that. They never want to be consistent, but they want to achieve their goal. How come it is possible? You need to put your effort, then only you'll just achieve your speaking goal. Speaking in English goal. Okay, fine. If we people, in initial stage, we will schedule a pack up, schedule very exactly how many hours we need to spend or how many hours we need to spend for reading, writing, and listening and speaking like that. But we follow that schedule for 2 to 3 days. For example, for a week you can follow, but after a week you don't have that enthusiastic courage to do that task. You feel somewhat exhausted. This is the reason. So you are not being consistent. And how come you will just achieve your goal? It's funny, right? You without consistent, how can you speak a very good English? So you need to allocate separate time, depend upon your ability. You need to spend a lot of time on speaking and be very consistent. If you are a person just putting effort at steps, spending 2 to 3 hours a day, but next day you are not following like that, you are skipping a lot of days due to your you feel somewhat exhausted that time like that, then definitely you won't become a good speaker. To become a good speaker, you need to spend a lot of time by watching English video, consuming a lot of things in English. Then only you will be easily become a good speaker. So always try to be good. Always try to be consistent on your work. Whatever you do, do tiny things daily. It's lead to success. You'll be lead to be a good speaker, or you can speak English very well. So do small tiny steps. Okay. Fine. This is all about consistency. Yeah. The fourth reason is setting unrealistic goals. You are not setting goal depend upon your ability. You are comparing yourself with other people, that how many hours they are just spending to improve their communication skill on English. So like that, they may each and every person differ by their ability and capability. We need to develop that. So the thing is, you are setting goal. For example, if you are capable of reading book for up to 2 pages a day, but your goal is something reading a 5 or 6 pages a day, how come it's possible, right? It seems to be very odd. So you need to be set goal, realistic goal, depend upon your ability and capability and your interest. If somebody just read a book, can complete a book per week within a week, but you are not capable of doing that, then how come you stress yourself? Then after that stress causes to inconsistent. So set realistic goal. Then only you need to be you will be very consistent. Don't compare yourself with others. When each and everyone have a specific quality, inbuilt quality, you need to utilize that and you need to speak English. Depend upon that only. So as much as can, you need to be very steady, and slow path leads to become a good speaker. So always do some tiny step with courage and with love towards that process. So enjoy the process of speaking English, because in this process is gonna be a very useful process, and you will learn from lot from that process. So enjoy the process and try to be consistent and avoid making mistakes and learn from almost that. We are at the end of this video. I just said you 4 reasons in this video. Try to avoid this that mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Then only you become a good speaker. Keep smiling. Thank you.